Hey guys, it's me, Valley Dwayne, and today we're going to be playing Last Day on Earth. If you guys haven't seen the other video, which I did today, go check it, please. And if you guys haven't seen the goals for my YouTube channel, please go check it. Because because in some of my videos, I'm going to be like making references about that video. But I will post that video like over and over. It's not just going to be a one-time like video. I'll post it like more than once. So some new people that check my YouTube channel don't like miss out on what the goal is. But if the goals are passed, then I'm going to make a new one. And if you guys have not yet done this, please go check. Please go subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you guys think these ads are bothering us, please tell me. So then I can crop it out and take the parts where the ads are out. It's okay if it's bothering you guys. I'm going to help you guys in any way I could. So if it bothers you guys, please tell me. Don't like be shy or like not tell me. Ooh, yay, that thing restarted. I could do the Crook Creek farm, or I have I have the iron. I did everything, guys. I think in my other video, or I did it like when I'm not in the video, but I did everything, and then all I need is the iron, and I'm smelting some iron right now, and I'm making more charcoal. Please say there's an event. Please say there's an event. Fingers crossed. Yes, there's an event. Oh, I love this event. Yes. I love this event, dude. It's a guy who betrays us. I don't know why I love the event. I don't know why I'm saying I love that event where a guy literally betrays us. Like any iron. Yep. Iron. And there's going to be some charcoal in here. 10 and 10. And I split it up and put it in. This is my clothes place. Oh, is there anything in here? No. Is there anything in the... Oh yeah, it is. Okay, now let me put that there. And let me put this there. Oh, I've lost. I'm back in business. Ooh, I have exactly 4. Yeah, guys, I got this. These guns and things. Ooh, I forgot my dog. One of my dogs are ready too. I don't need food. Oh wait, what? Wait, did that other dog leave? I remember I had a 4th one. I don't know. Let me take that. Looks like it won't fly anymore, but you managed to extract coordinates of the launch site. Oh wait, from it. Oh shoot, no. Oh, I don't. Why does it? I don't know where this makes me go auto and like go to. Well, I didn't go auto. It's just I tapped that button by accident and it made me. So there's gonna be an event. Wait, what? Let's go! Let's go! There's a convoy event and there's the coordinates, dude. Let's go! I am so happy. You don't know what this means, guys. This means we're gonna get double loot. This convoy has a lot of loot, and there's a frenzy giant, so I'm just gonna trick the frenzy giant at the end. Why not? So this guy's gonna trick us at the end. Ooh, I'll never say no to that. This guy at the end is gonna trick us and be like, goodbye, I don't need you anymore, then kill us or try to kill us. I'm gonna get that one. Shoot, I didn't know this. Okay, we need some carrots. Let him do the work. Why should I? should get berries. That's what I can use to heal from. It's not really a reliable source, but right now I can use it to heal. Okay. Get some more berries. Gotta heal right now. Gonna stop it. I was gonna attack him. Oh, he actually lost his gun. Let's go. We got some armor now. Let's go. He had a crowbar too. I know that's not that good, but still. Let's go, guys. Let's go. So, this thing's about to break, so what's the point of keeping it? Okay, let's go. We got some more armor. I'm surprised my head didn't break. Oh yeah, I forgot to read this. So now we have a convoy event waiting for us. What loot did he kill me for? Oh yeah, I forgot. I think this is the same for everyone. Even there's some YouTubers that I watch, and I think it's the same for them too. That's the road sign in the war. Still, dude, a road sign. Like, I appreciate it a lot. This game's like giving your road sign. You guys may think I'm crazy, but a road sign at the end is like, it's like, I don't know, it's just like good. Just everyone will appreciate a road sign. If you don't, you're crazy. Okay. Well, I'm gonna be throwing these away. So if we have a convoy event, I don't know, I'm just gonna use this. Let me go. I may find a lot of things. Actually, no, okay. So we have a motel thing to do. I'll do that later. And then the police station is not updated yet, but it's going to be. Here, so destroy convoy. Dude, I feel like when it says destroy, it's the radar version. But first one you do, I think it says only convoy. Nope, not the radar version. That's horrible. Some floatable. Oh shoot, that's a toxic. What? Yeah, I don't know what the bunker. Bring a gun. Any more zombies? I see berries. Actually, it's like blueberries. Let me get a lot of berries. Let me use that. Berries can be helpful. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm not. So things up there. Well, things up there. Let me get that. So I'm lose this place while the frenzy jumps there. Okay, so it looks like today's gonna maybe be our lucky. Come on, steel plates or aluminum plates? Ooh, plastic. Won't complain about plastic. I don't know. Plastic one day may actually help. Recycler. I need aluminum actually. Aluminum bars for recycling. Ooh, Band-Aid. Band-Aid one-shot eater. Actually heals. I love convoy events. They're so fun. Ooh, another Band-Aid. Ooh, 2 more, dude. Let's go. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna make this video like extraordinary, like long. If I do, then like I'm not gonna. My iPad's gonna die. Oh, it's awesome. So it's gonna be like 20-30 minutes, maybe. But that's okay. Oh shoot, there's more than one zombie. Ooh, there's a wait. Please say it gave me a cut finger again. Oh, another Band-Aid. Dude, I love convoy events. They give you so many Band-Aids. Ooh, let me make another Band-Aid. Oh my, I thought I cracked it. I need to kill that like very slow. I mean like after this game. Ooh, boots, let's go, dude. I have another boots. He's gonna hit me. He's gonna hit me. Okay. I'm good. Run, run. Dun, 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 dun. Dude, that's actually funny. Like I'm like running with the power thing. Oh, I can't go to it. I don't want to drop it. Let's go. Ooh, cat. Dude, I got good like I even got a ration. I'm gonna get to the motel, so why not go here and like empty everything and go there and get some weird stuff. I'm not the best player when it comes to like doing this, but I guess I'm pretty good. I don't know. In the comments below, tell me if I'm doing well or am I like doing horrible. Imagine there's another event. It'd be so funny. I'll love it, but it'll be funny. Dude, imagine I could redo the event. Quadcopter. Or this one. I'm in inventory left. I have a lot of pants and boots. I don't have a lot of shirts. Okay. need pants and why not take that? I'll take the weak stuff. And get rid of the weak stuff. I'll take the shirt. I click on my cap. Let me put that on. I want to use the weak stuff first. That's what I want to do. Oh yeah, I forgot I have this 20 rock. Oh wait. Oh, I need to upgrade this thing. Not now, but I could just make another chest. Oh, wrong. Oh wait, actually no. I forgot. I forgot I should get this a specialist. Oh my, I have 6 C4s. I'm gonna put this back in. I already have it, but wait, how expensive is it? I have this, but I'm almost done. I'm not really almost done. Okay. I got the grip or egg or not. You get the grip? Yeah, I got the grip. Oh yeah. Maybe I'll use a let me send right. Put that in specialist. I'll come back and let's see if there's anything on me. Yeah, just a bunch of clothes. Okay. I need to do. I need to get some meat. We have some. Oh shoot. Wait, I have some things in my armor. Yeah. Oh wow, I have 20. I'm gonna have another 20, right? Maybe this healer is good. I want to do a vehicle part. Guys, I tried doing this game for a video, but then it kept glitching and the whole game's not about this cheating stuff. So I didn't do it. This game, but it's making it good, it's so hard. Why can't I kill him? I wish I could get his clothes. I really want to look like that guy. I want to have his clothes. That clothes is not a game. I wish I could like... oh, yay. Airdrop. Thing's gonna disappear. So yeah, I could just go get it and go to this and get some meat. And then go to... yeah, I'm gonna not take those. Anyway, I bet you... funniest to me. Unless there's dogs in it, do I really need to keep it? Let's go! A Glock! And so, dude, let's go! We got a Glock. Let's go, dude. Let's go. The rest I don't really need. Dude, I'm getting you. I'm still not quick. Run. Dude, let's go. We got another Glock. And 3 times in a row, we've got a Glock from airdrop. Let's go. Oh. Okay, dude, we have a lot of events today, but I don't want the trader. And I can't go to that other event. Guys, I may not be able to do the thing today because of my battery. Okay, let's charge my iPad and let's go. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so I need some stone. I need like 3 pickaxes maybe. I just get 3 ivory. Or not pickaxe, axes. Okay, 9. Wait, what? Oh, I thought I said I had 2 guns. Oh, nice. Let's loot this place. Why not? Ooh. Oh, what's what I'm gonna do? Dude, I don't need transistors. I don't need that. I don't need that. I don't need that. I don't need that. I want to free some space. I don't need that. This, I have a lot, but still. And I don't need that. I need room right now. Dude, that 5 real cooking is like a scam. Dude, I don't know why. I don't know if this is a dream, but once I saw a big one in this zone, I think it was a dream. What's my percentage? 5 still. Okay. Okay, nice roll. Oh shoot! Oh, my pen and my boot. I knew that was gonna come in handy. What are the chests? There's one. Ooh, cool. I really. Oh, sure, I'll take one. Okay, now let's go loot the place. Dude, please. This airplane fan, I'm gonna be. Okay, good. Let's go here, loot the place. Okay. Wow, when you enter it does that. Okay. I'm not gonna lose this place. First I'm gonna kill zombie. I'm including that one. And I get this one. First I'm gonna use the bad guns. I have them. Or a bad weapon. Okay, I'm gonna take thing, what do you call it? Like cloth or bandages. Like cloth for bandages. I can sneak up on him, but I'm not. I don't really. Let me just bring this to the door. Wait, if I put it right here, or can I put it right here? No. Dude, when I need cloth, I don't get it. Can I only bring this thing? Wait, I think you can, like, get this on. Oh, sure. I'm good. Let me use my hand. There you go. Gotta put the sneaking skill. That one. Kind of kills us thing. Oh yeah, more bandage. No. I'm gonna take that thing. And this is the one where look, it opens. No, oh, it's this one over here. Oh, sorry. No. It's gonna open. Yep. I thought that one opened. Oh, yay. Let's go. Now we have 20 at 20. We got each. I remember there's one where but there's a floater floor. Dude, I have no clothes. Nice. Ooh. Anything else? closing them, so I think I should delete them now. Okay, let's do this one. Start looting from here. Oh shoot. I'm very happy. Someone their positive feedback. Whoever it was, I couldn't check, but whoever was very thoughtful of you, and thank you for saying that. I bet you it's Song or Liam, the people I shouted out. Yep, knew it. There's gonna be loot and what do you call it? Oh yeah, loot and armor in there. Oh, let's go! Let's go! Dude, I'm so happy. We got another Glock. I knew it. It was good. Dude, we have so many Glocks. Oh my god. I can't believe I'm the luckiest kid on earth. Another Glock. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. I just got another Glock. 3 Glocks. No, I just like eating the food. Come on. I just do this because when I always do this, I don't want to leave any food behind. I just eat it because, I don't know, I just like it when it, dude, oh wait, I didn't even tap that. Dude, let's go. 3 Glocks. Like, how lucky can I get? Ooh, yay, some shoes. Dude, I love Motel. That's why I do it, dude. Dude, can we get another Glock? Dude, imagine. No. And still, I'm so happy and impressed that this place could give you that. Like, seriously, dude. I'm so thankful it gave it to me. Yeah, I will give you exactly this. Oh, I got a P already. I don't get why, dude. I don't get why, but your character, like, I don't know, just like, it's so weird. Character just pees everywhere. Like, he pees everywhere. Like, how do you get to your, like, under your pants, dude? Like, how do you pee? Seriously. Like, it's impressive. Hey, let's go. I never had. Everywhere used for some protection. Hardly used for something serious. Guess I don't really use bandages by now. Dude, if you get another Glock from your car outside, heard that car actually has good loot. It's nothing. Yeah, I don't get a trash. Like, trash is like a million things together in that one thing. It's funny. Imagine trash is separate. Imagine it takes like 5 rooms. Ooh, not gonna complain. Good silver. Now I got max. Max bruising. Ooh, some jerky. Not gonna complain, right? Ugh. Do I have any extra hatchets? Nope. Guys, look at this. Glock, Glock, and Glock. I don't know why I just said. I was like Glock, Glock, and Glock. Dude, that was so worth it. I don't care if I die 10 times, I would die 10 times for that many Glocks. Dude, if we get an airplane event, this is gonna be the best day ever. Let's see what the trader wants at least. Yeah, I think we're gonna be wrapping up the video, guys. Please don't say my iPad's like gonna die right now. Guys, I think we're gonna wrap up the video, okay? First, let's see what this trader bro thing wants. If you want something like easy, like things I have. Wow, you want nails and that. You want that when I don't have it. I have nails, but I don't have the rope on me. No, not gonna change 10 nails. You guys may think like 10 nails that's nothing. For me, that's something. I don't know what I just said. Oh, that's only 39. I thought I was gonna use all my energy. So hype, dude. I don't get why it shows the location still for like people that played before, like when the season first came out, but it doesn't show me the prison or the like thing. You can still go there, not the prison. You can't go to prison. I don't know all the seasons, but I gotta say the season was cool. Season that is not here. Guys, I don't know. Yeah, I think I was off cam, but I did like the event. I don't know if you guys know. It's like these people come and they accuse you of killing the dude. Yeah, I killed one of them, and then the other one killed me. I don't know why. I just found it recognized. +5. Oh yeah, that's what the +5 is for. Oh, that's what they do. If I put food, they like follow me. I'm going down. Oh my, dude, I have a lot. I want them. This captain. My shirt's gonna break. Dude, I have no shirts. Are you kidding me? Put things in there. So guys, we're gonna be putting down there. Put that there. Guys, I need to update this. So 10, okay. I need one more bolt. There. I need 20 wood. Actually, I don't need. I'm gonna be opening that one. Let's just put that in there. Actually, no, I'm gonna upgrade the gun chest. What are these? Oh, that's how many Glocks I have. Dude, I have over 5 Glocks. That is a lot of Glocks. No, I have a lot of things. This, I could stay like that. I don't really care. So yeah, I'm gonna need 24. I have a lot of wiring. Okay, I have a lot of wiring. I'll take down that. I just know I have a hockey stick. Dude, if there's an event, like... No. Oh, now it's 100. Guys, I think that's gonna wrap the video. And guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys stay safe, and I'll see you guys later, okay?